Claude recently launched a new design feature, and honestly, I've been seeing a lot of people talk about it. Some people are saying it's one of the best AI design tools right now, while others are saying it can actually replace part of a designer's workflow entirely. So in this video, we're going to actually see what it's capable of together. We'll use it to design a landing page, a mobile app, and even a presentation deck to see how far we can push it. The first thing we have on Claude Design is the prototype section, and you will notice that when creating a new project, Claude asks you to choose between the wireframe or the high fidelity prototype. If you're still exploring ideas or validating concepts, a wireframe could actually be like a starting point. I'll be selecting high fidelity because I want to see how far Claude can really go in generating something that feels like a real product. But before we're able to create anything on Claude Design, we'll have to give our project a name. I'll be calling this project Habitry. After that, Claude takes you to a prompt section, which is where you describe what you want to build. You can also start with context here. You can feed Claude your design system. You can add a screenshot. You can attach code base, and then you can also drag in a Figma file. Now I'm going to provide Claude with a product brief for Habitry. So I'm going to ask Claude to design a modern landing page. So Claude Design is going to have you provide some context. So Claude Design has helped us generate the landing page. We'll have some tools here where you can edit any section of this site. You can actually highlight this, you can edit, change the font, change the size, just like we have on Figma. Then you can also make some tweaks. You can change any section of the landing page. Next, we're going to take this further by building out the mobile app version of this website. So it's also going to do the same thing, ask us questions about the app. So you can see that Claude Design was able to generate the app screens. You can also create slide deck for our mobile app and the landing page. Okay, so Claude Design has generated our pitch deck for us, and this is probably one of the most surprising outputs it has actually done so far. Of course, I wouldn't expect this to completely replace a designer, to be honest, but as a starting point, I think it's actually quite impressive. Claude Design also gives you a few ways to continue working with it by being able to share the link to your designs and your pitch decks. You can also export your design in any of these formats. Then you can as well send your designs to Claude Code. You can also send it to Canva as well. Another feature that is worth mentioning is the template feature on Claude Design. So instead of starting from a blank prompt every time, you can just easily browse through the existing examples, and use them as a foundation for your project. And I think it's actually useful if you're not sure of how to structure your prompts. You can customize it. It's also worth mentioning that this particular software actually still has an improvement to do, to be honest. You can see how this text doesn't really align properly, and it doesn't really check the accessibility standards, and it has very, very poor contrast level compared to the background or the frame it fits into. So personally, I would recommend Claude Design if your goal is just to go from an idea to just something tangible or something you can quickly do in few minutes, because Claude really, really, really does get surprisingly fast, giving you something real quick, but you still need your personal judgment as a designer. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.